that the heart's broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him.
This wig is moving again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Before we get started into this video, besides my hair, or even though if you like my hair, subscribe to my channel. My lipstick, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today you guys already know by the title of this video, random color challenge, where you just pick random colors and you do your eyeshadow or your makeup. So today it's a collaboration, of course, with Ikin and Lulu. Lulu goes by Call Beauty with a Heart, so we collaborated together to do this random color makeup challenge. So do go and check them out as well. All the links of their channels will be down in the description box down below, so you can go and check them out. Okay, basically I did not do my entire face because that will be like a 30-40 minutes long of picking and choosing the different colors that I want to put on my face. So I only did it for my eye look and it turned out pretty great, guys. It turned out pretty great. Without the lipstick also, my eye looks is just like really like gothic, vampy. So I just threw on the lipstick and got ourselves a gothic look. So without any further ado, let's go into this random color challenge and let's see how I create my look. So don't mind this red patch on my chest right here. I think I'm having allergies. Okay, so I'm just going to use one palette today and it's going to be the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's because I find that her palette has like all like the different range of your reds, your mauvey colors, your golds, your pinks, your browns. You have colors here, you have your greens, so it's kind of like all in one. So I'm just going to shut my eyes and pick two colors at a time. So let's go. I got the Sephora mask on. Okay, so going down. Okay, the first one I will take is this one, and then going down. The next one will be this. Okay, so you guys know the colors already. Let's see. Okay, so I basically picked this brown right here, and which is called Buns, and I picked this one here which is called Merks. So it's Buns and Merks. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe my hands. We'll pick another two more sheets. Let's go. Okay, okay, so just gonna randomly pick this one here and gonna randomly this one here. Okay, so you guys know the shades. Okay, so let me open my eye. That's annoying. Okay, why did I pick another brown? Okay, so I got a green. This is Diva. Okay, I'm gonna minus Mocha out is because I think I have like too many browns. So I'm just gonna go again, guys, because one more last color, guys. Okay, so just random pick this one here. So you guys know this shade? Okay. Okay, so this is called Hustle. Okay, so we have Buns, we have Merks, we have Diva and Hustle. So let's hustle and take this one off, and there goes my hair. So I randomly picked four colors. So let's go ahead and get into the eye look. I typically would not pick the shades for the eyes, but let's go, guys. Let's zoom in and get personal. I hope I don't go so close. I haven't done my brows. Please don't see. So I'm just gonna pick up Buns. Just put that all over the crease. I'm also going to drag it down here. Alright, so Buns is down. Okay, for Merks, we're going to mix it together with Buns. It's because it's a very shimmery brown. So I'm just using the same brush. And this is a blending brush where I got from Ipsy. So we just pack that down. And then we just blend it all over the crease. Let's see how that works. The next shade, I'm a little bit afraid of the next shade, guys. It's Diva and it's a greeny shade. So how are we going to make that work with this combination? Okay, this so far is looking so cute, guys. Next shade is called Diva. We're going to try to make an halo eyes, guys. No, bronzy gold with green. It's fantastic. I got no comments. I don't think that this is the right combination, but I got one more to go to put down. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm kind of like liking it right now. Okay, so we got one more shade, and the last shade is called Hustle. Sorry guys, I didn't tell you what brush I use. To do the green, I use the Morphe E18 brush. And to use the shade Hustle, I'm using M168 brush. A very small pencil brush, guys. And I'm just going to put it at the inner corner of my eyes. Drag it down because this is it's like a little bit purple, like an iridescent purple. Don't want to go overboard with this shade. I'm gonna put this in a little bit of brow bone. So we are done with the eyes, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and put on some lashes, and I'll come back. Okay, so I used the e.l.f. gel eyeliner to do my eyeliner, and for my lashes I used the Lily lashes in Mink Doas. Okay, so after putting on the lashes, I kind of feel that okay, it's a little bit not my type, but it will do with the hairdo. It will do. Kind of looking cute with the hairdo. Because since I have my bronzer and my blush on, I am just gonna go and put on my highlight. It's not a random pick, I'm choosing my highlighter. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'll be going in with the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter in You Light Up My Life. And I am using my Morphe 218 brush to highlight. And pretty much gonna go crazy with this stuff. This is my favorite highlighter. Just gonna highlight my cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, with my hair, cupid's bow here, a little bit here, just and there, just alright. A kind of looking like I cake on 1,000 layers of makeup, but no guys, I did not cake on. It's just the Fenty Beauty foundation that is making me look so good. Okay, so for my lips, I'm just going in with something really different. This Lip Lust Studio Shine from LA Splash, and this is the shade Katerina. And this is supposed to be a green shade, so I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand first right now. So this is how it looks like. So it's supposed to be a green shade, so I'm gonna apply that to my lips. I've only wore this lipstick once going out. Then everybody started staring at me, and then I was like, you know what, no. So yeah, I kind of like it with the hairdo, with the makeup. And it just gives me a different vibe. I don't look like my normal typical self, because you know why, today is a very fun video. And I really enjoyed doing this video, like picking my random eyeshadow shades, and ended up wearing this very metallic green shade lipstick. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And yes, don't forget to also go and check out Ikin's video and Lulu's video. So go and check them out. All the links will be down in the description box below. And do let them know that you are from Sabrina Isabelle's channel. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of me wearing this wig again. Do let me know what you guys think about this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!